At this point, we're ready to bring our project into our GitHub repository. So right now, the GitHub repository is empty. You'll see in our workspace, we have just our Git and our gitignore folder. What we want to do next is navigate to where our project is saved. Easiest way to do that is to open up your Unity Hub and find the project that you wish to duplicate. And I will click Show It in the Explorer. I'll open up this folder and get access to all of these files. If your project is currently open, you'll want to make sure to close it, because when Unity has a project open, it has temporary uncopyable files that will cause problems. So if you have it open, pause the video and close it now. Once you've closed the project, you can copy, and you will go to your Clone Royale lecture videos with the gitignore files, and make sure that you have all of your folders that are in there laterally with the assets folder, and right click and paste. At this point, you have uploaded the entirety of your project in here. And you'll notice that when you go back into GitHub Desktop, you have all of these different folders that have been added. In order to commit this onto the cloud, you will have to create a summary, which I will call initial commit. And you can optionally add a description, which is, this is the first upload of our Clone Royale project to this repo. And you commit it. Now, just because you've committed it does not mean that it has fully been uploaded. You also have to push, where this button Push Origin is here. You can press it, and you have officially uploaded your project to the cloud. If you were working with somebody else and they press this button, you would have a little notification at this Fetch Origin button saying that something had been uploaded. You would be able to click it, refresh, and then pull the origin. But because you're working in this alone, that will not happen. At this point, the one last part is to make sure that you are opening the project that is in the repository and not your old one. So you'll notice I have my Clone Royale lecture videos with all spaces. What I'm going to do is open the project, and I'm going to navigate to my C drive, to my workspaces, and find the Clone Royale lecture videos with dashes. I will hit open, and as you can see, I now have a new project in my Unity Hub. It contains dashes, but it's the same exact project that I had. At this point, my old lecture video project will be deprecated. I can either delete it or I can remove the project from the list. This way, by removing it from the list, I will not accidentally open my old project. And now we are ready to continue moving forward with our project securely backed up on version control.